Hi and welcome to this presentation on the Recorded Future app for Splunk version 2.4.0. Having logged into your Splunk application and selected our app specifically, you'll find a number of different tabs and drop-downs which we'll explore now. Here we have the Alert Center, the Enrichment drop-down, a Threat Hunts tab, further drop-downs for search, for data, for configuration, docs, and a tab linking you back to the Recorded Future platform. Selecting the drop-down now for the Alert Center, you're presented with this page seen here, but also features for the Recorded Future alerts, correlations, Sigma detections, playbook alerts, and threat hunt runs. Hovering over and clicking on the Enrichment drop-down, we provide enrichment for the main IRCs of domain, vulnerability, URL, malware, IP, and hash. Clicking on and selecting the Threat Hunts tab, you'll find that this is information related to the malware threat map, which can also be seen in your Recorded Future platform page. Within Splunk, we aim to replicate the page information as accurately as possible to reflect a similar platform experience. Navigating to the search drop-down and selecting the Recorded Future search, this is a page designed to provide you with the ability to string search through your data for correlating IRCs that might match that particular string. Of course, we do also provide the normal search functionality. Now moving on to the particular data. Clicking on that, you'll find a number of different options here. The Recorded Future for Splunk overview page is provided. And selecting that, you'll find that this page provides you with general information and statistics regarding the application functionality, which is related to risk lists, correlations, and alerting rules. Now selecting the data drop-down and clicking on dashboards, click on the appropriate filter for this apps, and you'll find this is a quick way of locating those dashboards related to the application, those being things such as the Alert Center, the configurations, the correlations, and also any form of Sigma detections. Clicking again on the data drop-down and data sets, and again this apps as a filter button. This will provide you with risk lists downloaded from the Recorded Future API and consists also of lookup definitions together with lookup table files, which are often the raw CSV files downloaded from the API. You'll also find alerts, Sigma detections, and threat hunt results. Again, now clicking on the data and reports, selecting the filter of this apps, here you'll find a list of reports that contain some critical information related to the logs of the application, updates of risk lists, validation of the app deployment, as well as the correlation use cases. Navigating over to the configuration drop-down, you'll find that we provide a great deal of information regarding how the configuration can be performed. So here we find app settings, collective insights, alerting rules, Splunk enterprise security feeds, correlations, Sigma rules, and also troubleshooting. The app settings page briefly here shows you the basic configuration needed, where the API URL is input, any form of verification of those SSLs, and also the API token. Selecting now the Docs page, we provide documentation on the app itself, any feature setups, Splunk Enterprise security integrations, and also troubleshooting documentation.